Welcome. This is our class instructions for how to create a Prezi. First of all, you click on Add New Prezi, and then where the title is, you type whatever you wish to call it. And then underneath that, you'll notice a box that has description in it. You're limited to how many characters you can put in there, so be careful when you're creating that descriptor. Once you've described your topic, then you can scroll through and start looking for the layout that you would like to use. Once you have that layout selected, all you have to do is click on it and your new Prezi will open. The very first slide that pulls up is what you need to make sure that you add for your title and a subtitle to that. So when I'm looking at scoring your Prezi, remember I'm going to follow that rubric that you have that says this is the guidelines, this is what must be included. So you type in your title, and you can hit enter to lay it out, or you can even shrink it down later. I've showed you guys how to do that before, but in case you do not remember, we'll look at doing that again here in just a little bit as well. After you've given it the title and the subtitle, then you will be able to move to the next path or navigate to the next section. Now, you'll notice that the color of the font does not show up real well. So what I do is I go in and I highlight it, and then I can click on the font buttons on top and change the colors until something that shows up, because you need to be able to read what you have inside of it. Once you go to the new path, you just need to enter in your title, and then underneath that you'll see where you can click and then add in your subtext. So you'll have your heading text, your title, and then your subtitle. Then you just click in the box and move to the next path, they're located right underneath each other. And you follow that same process, title, and then your subheading. And you just want to make sure that the font is, that you can read it. And so it's really clear for me and your peers. You do the same thing and just follow down the paths. If you don't need one, you can just click on it in that left toolbar and delete it. Or you can even add another one where it says add page on the left hand side. Once you have finished that, then again you follow the path and you repeat the same process. Now in this one, you'll see I don't finish it because I'm just demonstrating the path you follow, because it's simplistic, because it's a pattern. And you just continue practicing that pattern and utilizing that pattern to incorporate your information into your Prezi. And remember, it needs to meet the rubric guidelines that I've established for you as well. Now, what you will notice on this particular pathway, you'll notice that my subtext goes outside of the frame. When that happens, you have to decrease that size. And so what you'll do is click on that little circle in the bottom right hand, drag it up to where you want it, and then reposition it. And this is the last slide of demonstration, and it follows that same process again. You have your title, then you put in your subtitle, type in the information, and if it happens to go too long, then obviously you do the same thing you saw me do earlier. You click in the little right hand circle,